In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Perplexity AI by creating and managing your own spaces. This is a fantastic way to save, organize, and share information you gather using Perplexity AI, enhancing your productivity and collaboration. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to open up Perplexity AI in your browser. To do this, simply type in atips.perplexity.ai and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. You can choose to log in using your Google account, your Apple ID, or your email. Choose whichever option works best for you. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start exploring everything that Perplexity AI has to offer. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the Spaces section. Look over to the left-hand sidebar on your screen. You should see an option labeled Spaces. Click on it, and this will open up the Spaces dashboard for you. This is your central hub for managing all the spaces you create or follow, so it's a key place to become familiar with. Once you're in, you'll notice that you're not the first to delve into creating spaces. There are featured spaces and those that are currently trending, made by other users. Take a minute to browse these existing spaces. Just click on any space that interests you, and you will discover a world of saved prompts, answers, and resources that others have found valuable. This can give you some inspiration for your own spaces. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and create your own space. Back in the Spaces dashboard, look for a button that says Plus New Space, or simply Create. Click it, and you'll be prompted to give your space a title. You can also add an optional description to explain its purpose further. Decide if you want this space to be public, which means anyone can view it, or private, keeping it just for your eyes. This choice depends on how you plan to use the space. Once your space is created, it's time to add some content. Return to the main Perplexity page and use the search bar to ask Perplexity a question. When you find an answer that you believe is worth keeping, click the Save to Space button. It'll prompt you to select which of your spaces you'd like to save the information to. Inside your newly created space, you now have the flexibility to organize your saved content. You can rearrange items simply by dragging them to a new position. To make it easier to find or understand later, consider adding tags or notes. These little additions can save you time in the future. Finally, let's not keep all this valuable information to yourself. If you wish to share your space with friends or colleagues, simply open the space you wish to share. Look for the Share button. Clicking it will generate a link that you can copy. Feel free to send this link directly to friends or post it online. Sharing knowledge has never been easier. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Perplexity AI's spaces. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring.